Now friends, come to this particular question. Now this particular company is already got a manufacturing unit and commenced the operation on May 1. Total cost of plant and machinery installed in the unit is 100. Said plant and machinery included the second hand plant and machinery, so it is 90 and 10. Okay, so 10 is a second hand, this is second hand. Okay, now second hand plant and machinery, remember that it is not eligible for additional depreciation. I have already explained that. Okay, now and new plant and machinery for scientific research, that is also included. So your breakup is 80 plus 10 second hand and plus 10, that is under section 35, that is a scientific research relating to the business cost of 10 crores. Now section 35 friends allows you a deduction for the capital costs if it is in relation to the scientific research. So assuming that section 35 conditions are satisfied, the capital cost of this particular plant and machinery will be fully allowed as a deduction, and that is the reason depreciation on that particular asset you will not get it. So these 10 cannot be regarded as a part of the cost of the block, because that is 100% allowed as a deduction under section 35. So your cost of the block is going to be 90. Okay, now your total depreciation will be 90 multiplied by, is there a rate given? 15% already given. Okay, half rate, full rate, let me check. It is somewhere in the May that you have started the operation, so it will be full rate. And your additional depreciation will be on second hand asset you will not get additional depreciation, so only on 80 you will get, multiply with 20% and you will get a additional depreciation accordingly. So normal depreciation, additional depreciation, and total will be total depreciation. Now see, total depreciation given to you under 32(1)(2)(a). Now this 32(1)(2)(a) is only the additional depreciation, so don't confuse, because question is saying total depreciation under section 32(1)(2)(a). So only additional depreciation figure, so that is additional depreciation is going to be 16, and accordingly your answer is going to be 16 in this particular MCQ.